Today, you're going to learn how to shape by turning a ball into an egg. Hi, I'm Teresa from Bear Creek Felting. Welcome back. So far, you've learned how to make a felted ball, how wool behaves, and how to choose the right needle. Today, we're going to take that simple ball and turn it into one of the most useful shapes in needle felting, the egg. This shape shows up over and over again in felting and becomes animal bodies, heads, birds, and snowmen. To make an egg shape, we're going to start with a ball. It needs to be slightly squishy so that you can shape it still. The ball we made in the first video is really hard, and so it wouldn't shape nicely into an egg at this point. So you want to leave it slightly squishy, like this one. And the shaping happens gradually, and you can always adjust as you go. To turn a ball into an egg, felt a little more on one end than the other. So I'm poking just in this area because I want this to narrow and become the top of the egg. You'll need to turn the piece often as you work. As you can see, I'm rolling it kind of on the pad here. You can see it starting to form an egg shape. Now you can see that this is getting quite firm because I've been felting it so much. I am going to round out the bottom and make that just as firm. So right now it's too wide on the bottom to look like a nice egg shape. So I am going to come in on the sides here and make it more of a slope going down. If for any reason you couldn't get the base wide enough to look like an egg, you can always wrap more wool around there and felt it in to make it wider at the base so that it forms this egg shape. The egg shape becomes the foundation for many felted projects. Bunnies, birds, and more. Once you're comfortable making eggs in different sizes, building animals becomes much easier and more intuitive. If your egg looks a little lopsided, that's completely normal. Every piece teaches you something new, and each one gets better than the last. The goal isn't perfection, it's learning how wool responds. Now that you can make a ball and an egg, you're ready for the next step, joining shapes together. In the next episode, we'll attach pieces together cleanly and securely to create a simple figure. Continue in the needle felting for absolutely beginners. Start Here playlist.